All right, so let me show you how to attach and remove this quick release mount on your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So this is probably one of the most revolutionary features of this camera, because it means you can set this somewhere, maybe on your helmet or on your bike or wherever it is, and you can just leave it there, and you can just attach your camera at any time and remove it and leave this on where you maybe use it the most, okay, depending on where it is. So to attach and remove properly, keep in mind that this has a very strong magnet which connects here, so you can see how strong that magnet is, and it's even pulling the camera, and that camera is heavy. Okay, so a combination of magnets and of course these clips. So let me show you these clips. Let me just get this. So you can see these two clips, they attach on either side just to properly secure the camera in place. So depending on where you've mounted this quick release mount, to attach, simply align it like this, and then you want to make sure it properly clips in place. So let me just try. It has to properly clip in place, and you can tell it's clipped in place because these clips are going to be perpendicular to the camera, okay, on either side. So you can see they are completely perpendicular, and that tells you the thing is properly mounted. Now to remove, you have to press this area here, okay, so you have to press on either side, just put some pressure, enough pressure, and then pull it out like this on either side. Now these are very strong magnet, so once you press both sides, you have to literally just pull it out like that, and it takes a bit of force to do that. Okay, so that is basically how to mount and remove the quick release mount on your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck. The magnet is so strong. Oh my God.